Hello friends, welcome back to the tutorial lab. Today in this video I am going to show you how to download any video from Facebook. We all use Facebook and often we like a video which was posted by our friends. If you want to get those videos on your PC, laptop or phone, you need to download this file, but you don't know how to download these videos from Facebook. Today I am going to introduce you something by which you can download any videos from Facebook. To download a video, open your Facebook account, scroll down to find a beautiful video. If you want to download this video, just click on the three dot and copy the link of this video. Open a browser and search for fdown.net. Here you will find this kind of interface. Paste the video link and tap download. Here you will find the video. You can download this video in normal quality or you can download this video in HD quality. Click on download this video. I want to download this video in HD quality. Here you can see the video is downloading. If you want to download another video, click here. You will find the interface again. When the video will be downloaded, then we will come back to the video. Let's check our video. Here you can see our video has been downloaded. Let's open the folder.
कम से कम 35 থেকে 40টা ছবি একসাথে।
See, this is the video. I'm not playing this for copyright issue. By this way, you can download any video from Facebook. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope you like this. Please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thanks for watching this video.